Hello there, and welcome back to another fun-filled episode of Caddy of the Day. We call this caddy the Thigh Master. As you can clearly see, there's no cap. They come in all different shapes, sizes, and colors. As the golf ball draws near, Thigh Master raises her leg in time to miss the ball before the smaller caddy joins in. Nick waves to the camera before... Wait! No, she isn't! No, she isn't! Yes, she did! This type of behavior will not be tolerated!
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. Ay, so many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Ay, Richie Mac, do it major. Big boss player, Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go!
You can't help but notice her. Those big brown legs walking towards you looks like a Beyonce video. She drops down and bounces like a lowrider. I haven't booked her in so long, I forgot how feminine she is. Then the back away. Simply breathtaking. She maintains her femininity while giving me the perfect read. Now it's up to me to put it in the hole. There we are. Off we go.
So you single?
Single.
Single?
จริง
Why are you single?
ๆ broken heart
Broken heart? You think though? You think though? You like Falang or you like Thai?
ไทย
Oh, my Falang?
จีน
Oh, shit.
China
Oh, China. Oh, her boyfriend was from China.
Like that.
That'll work.
Like that. You see the front foot jump?
Uh-huh.
You see the front foot jump?
Lucky left, he came
Yeah.
in.
I'm trying to stop that movement, man.
He getting no Ted shoes. Let me see.
Zoom in, you see his light here. Got the colors and everything.
He got the Buzz Lightyear golf shoes. Is that what I'm saying?
And he buzzing your ass too.
The lowrider position again. But wait! A new caddy dominates the screen. She struts by, puts a twist in her hips because we're watching. This could be a first. A caddy of the day strut off?
How you doing, Greg? You all right?
I'm good.
Caddy of the day, Greg. My subscribers are the one to take you on a golf date. You know what a golf date is? When you play golf. You play golf with them. And you get to know each other. And they get to know you. Because you know they gonna want to know you. Yeah, they, man. My caddy don't believe I can chip it up here. So she gave me the putter to put that shit up. It's actually easier to put it. Why do you think? You don't believe in my chip? You I already got the cheat code. I mean, come on. Putter better? Okay. She say putter better. Who y'all gonna listen to, me or y'all lying out? Set it up, baby. Set it up. You got darn sexy. Darn sexy. Thigh master. You're the thigh master. Can you say thigh master? Thigh master. There you go. I'm gonna ask the guy if they want to eat good food or healthy food. What they want to eat. Let me check it out. What'd you say, Red? What about the healthy?
I said, fuck healthy. We're from America. Shit. Land of the gut.
Finally take the mask off. Thank you. Popcorn Cobb. why with the mask off.
สวยเนี่ย cannot booking นะ
You can. I'm gonna book you. Oh, see? You see? My cup on cup. So sweet. Night one. That's why you took the mask off finally? So why? Let me see you. That's why. But my one. No, no. Let me show that pretty face. See why? And hide the face all day like somebody got Ebola over here or something. Looking like a little thick dog. Hey, there you go. Let me see what you're working with.
ตกมา
น้ำยาสวัสดีครับ Caddy, huh? What you finished with? Hot dog for Caddy. You don't like the hot dog? You had it before. Well, you tell her what you want. Okay. What? And nam? Whatever. Are you? You like hot dog? Huh? Oh, the hot dog is small? Leg. Say she like big hot dog? She like big hot dog? Jing Jing? Oh.
And as our day comes to a close, make sure to let us know in the comment section if you think Thigh Master ranks up at the top. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button on your way out. If you haven't already, share these videos to like-minded people and get ready for Zoom Fest 2024. Other than that, I only have 2 words to say. Theme music!
Caddy of the day, you know that we vibing. Over 100 courses over out here in Thailand. Ay, so many fatties, it's hard not to notice. Swinging my iron, but I'm trying, I keep losing focus. Yo, hit the green, let's play, yeah. You already know it's Caddy of the day, yeah. Hey, Richie Mac do it major. Big boss player, Caddy of the day, yeah. Let's go.
If you want to go on a golf date, make sure to email me at zoomtothailand@gmail.com and type golf date in the subject matter. Also, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button. Put the notifications to all, because you never know when we might do a pop-up in the middle of Thailand. You dig?